Hi, welcome to this video about the Aqara LED Bulb T2. The T2 is available since today in 4 different versions with or without colors, and also the E27 or the GU10 version. They work over Zigbee or over Thread, so you can also just use a Aqara hub and connect it over Zigbee, but with Matter over Thread you can just directly connect it to, for example, a Apple HomePod Mini or Apple TV. Here we go into the settings. Here you see that you can turn on and turn off the device in the Aqara app, adjust the brightness. The LED bulb is now connected over Zigbee. You can change several colors, so you can use the RGB spectrum to change the color to a specific color. You can choose in total out of 16 million colors. So for example, this blue or red. You also have the RGB palette for more specific colors. And also the tunable white. For the non-RGB versions you only have the tunable white and not the RGB options. Here we have some scenes where also the light can flash or have certain patterns in specific colors. If we go to the settings, you can also make a lighting group to control them all together, for example with the ceiling light T1M, as you can see here. And if we go to the other settings, you can press Find Device, then the LED bulb will flicker so you know which device this is. You can change the power off memory to choose what happens when the power is off. So maybe it has to turn on or turn on when the power is restored, or go back to the latest status also, or reverse the latest status. Other settings are the transition settings. Here you can set how long it takes before the light goes out after a command has been sent. So then it will gradually turn off. You can choose up to quite some seconds, and you can also change the transition curve below to determine in which way the light turns off. Here we set it to 5 seconds and we save it, and then we turn it off, and then we see that it gradually turns off in about 5 seconds. Let's see the other settings. Change this one back to the presetting, and you can also set the initial brightness. So if the light turns on, what the initial brightness is as a standard. You can also change the dimming range such that it's always between a certain value. And next you have some general information about the hub that it's connected to, and the signal strength firmware updates. Here you also see the communication protocol. It's currently Zigbee. If you press this, you see that you can move to Thread, but you have to remove the device and add it again, and then indicate that you like to use Matter over the Thread to connect this device. Here you see a log of everything that happened with the light. Maybe not that interesting for a light, but it's convenient anyway. And here you can change the name, the location of the device, etc. If you'd like to know more about the Aqara LED Bulb T2, check the links in the description to our website. Thanks for watching.